In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal with ClickFunnels. If you're looking to streamline your online business operations by connecting these two powerful tools, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll have a seamless setup in place, making your transactions and contact follow-ups a breeze. To get started, we'll begin by connecting PayPal to Zapier. First, log into your Zapier account. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new Zap. Click on the Create Zap option. This essentially sets up a new automated workflow for you. With the wide range of apps Zapier connects, you'll choose PayPal as your trigger app. You'll then be prompted to sign into your PayPal account. Make sure you authorize Zapier to access your PayPal data, as this is crucial for the integration to work smoothly. Moving on, it's time to choose a PayPal trigger. Think of triggers as events that kickstart the whole process. Some common triggers include a successful sale, a new payment, or even a completed transaction. If you want to build your customer base, consider a new customer as a trigger. Choose the one that best matches your workflow needs. Now let's connect ClickFunnels. This is where you'll set what happens next after the initial trigger. In Zapier, add an action step by searching for ClickFunnels. Once found, connect your ClickFunnels account. Now think about what you want to achieve. Would you like to create a new contact? Or perhaps add a contact to a specific funnel? You can even choose to add a tag if that's available for you. Select the action that suits your business goals best. It's time to map the data between PayPal and ClickFunnels. Mapping means matching information fields from PayPal to those in ClickFunnels so the correct data is transferred and stored. For instance, you'll map the customer name from PayPal to the name field in ClickFunnels. Similarly, assign the email address to its corresponding field in ClickFunnels. For details such as the transaction ID and payment amount, you'll want to map these to custom fields in ClickFunnels, ensuring all vital transaction information is captured. Before finalizing, a crucial step is to test the Zap to ensure everything functions correctly. Run a test by sending a test payment through PayPal. After doing so, run the Zap test in Zapier. Take the time to verify that the contact or desired action is accurately created within ClickFunnels. This step is key to ironing out any potential issues before going live. Finally, let's turn on the Zap. Once you're confident everything is working as intended, publish the Zap. After publishing, make sure to turn it on. What this means is that any future PayPal transactions will now automatically trigger the chosen actions in ClickFunnels, keeping your processes efficient and automated. With these steps complete, you've successfully integrated PayPal with ClickFunnels, aiding in a more streamlined management of your online sales and contacts.